Hi humans, I'm the coronavirus. Okay, I will be honest with you. I know that you think that I'm terrible, but I do it for some good reasons. Have you seen your planet? I don't think so. It's a dirty and polluted sphere, and it's all your fault. So I've arrived to make a lot of pollution disappear. Also, I've seen that you usually live too much stress, and I thought, if I infect a lot of people, they can leave their homes, and thanks to this situation, they could spend many times with their families, learn new things, and therefore, they will have time enough to think and reflect about their lives. Yes, perhaps this is being a surreal situation, but instead of thinking only about negative part, why don't you look for the positive part? I know I must apologize for all the victims, but as I said, I've done it for the good of all, although it may seem otherwise. I hope you understand me. With all my love, COVID 19.